In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Samsung S24 Ultra to Android TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use your S24 Ultra in conjunction with your Android TV. Regardless of the brand, regardless of the model, you will be able to mirror the screen of your Samsung device into the Android TV. And this will also work with other models that you have. There is a feature natively available on any Samsung smartphone nowadays called Smart View. So to use this feature, swipe down from the top and look for Smart View. It is either going to be under the brightness control, as you can see over here, or you will have to look through all of these options until you see the icon for Smart View, or you tap on the option to add new features here. Once you add the feature Smart View, tap on it and you will be able to mirror your screen. First, make sure that the TV and the smartphone are on the same Wi-Fi network. So this feature will wirelessly transmit or mirror your S24 screen to your TV, but they have to be on the same Wi-Fi network. So double check the connection settings, and once the Android TV and the S24 Ultra are on the same Wi-Fi network, when you tap on Smart View, the Android TV will automatically appear on the list of compatible devices. There's no secret to this. Smart View will be able to detect devices in its proximity, and it will make them available to mirror the screen too. So select them from here, and immediately upon doing this, the screen mirroring will begin. You will be able to orientate your phone, so portrait, or you can change the mode, and anything that you watch, YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, will be mirrored over. You can open pictures, videos, watch them together, and all of this will be done natively on your S24 Ultra without having to download any additional applications. As long as your Android TV has smart capabilities, which basically every single model does, you will be able to use Smart View. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung S24 Ultra to Android TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.